There was a boy. His name was Deepak. He had a younger brother named Chinu. They always stayed together. When Chinu was in third grade, his classmates troubled him a lot. He told his elder brother everything about the boys. Then Deepak scolded them. One day, Chinu's best friend was leaving the city and he gave a storybook to Chinu. Since that day, Chinu kept that book till date now. Chinu and Deepak grew up. Chinu wanted to go outside with his friends, so he put the book in the kitchen by mistake. Deepak was listening to songs, and about 2 hours later, he went to the kitchen to drink some water. Accidentally, the glass of Deepak's hand fell on the book, and he spilled all the water onto the book. He was horrified and yelled, "Oh my god, what the hell I did!" Just then, Chinu appeared and said to Deepak, "What did you do that? This book was given to be my best friend." Deepak said, "This is your fault. No one keeps books in the kitchen." Chinu started crying and said, "You shouldn't have done that. I won't talk to you ever." He scolded and went to his room. Deepak thought he is younger and he said all that in anger. "I will continue listening to songs." Then he went to his room listening to songs. 4 years passed by to that incident, but Chinu hadn't talked to Deepak yet. Deepak didn't care about it. He became an English teacher and Chinu became a lawyer. Both stayed together, but they never talked to each other. Both were stubborn. Deepak thought, "I'm elder, he should talk to me first." And in this way, they both didn't try to talk. Chinu was a good lawyer. He had never lost any case. People gave him good compliments in front of him, but they criticized him at his back. They said, "What is the use of winning so many cases when lost to his own brother?" He got sad when heard all this. As he got home, he said to Deepak, "Go away from here. Only because of you, my whole life isn't getting good." Then Deepak replied, "Look, Chinu, will your life go well if I leave?" They had a hard argument. Chinu insulted Deepak, which shouldn't have done. He said to Deepak, "It was better if I didn't have any brother." Deepak's eyes filled with tears hearing these harsh words. He left the room and went outside. Chinu realized it was too much that I said, and I shouldn't have said that. On the other side, Deepak went to the park with wet eyes. He decided not to see his face again. He saw two children were playing in front of him. Accidentally, that boy kicked another, but he immediately said sorry and accepted his mistake. Then Deepak thought, if I had said sorry to him that day, we wouldn't had all these disputes and we would be good together. He had some realizing that he was wrong. After returning home, Deepak hugged Chinu and said sorry to Chinu and apologized to him for that day. Chinu replied, "Please don't apologize. We both were wrong." That day, they both promised to each other that henceforth we won't fight and listen to each other without arguing. By their situation, we have understood that by accepting our mistakes, we can improve our relationships. If Deepak had accepted his mistake earlier, this fight would have ended the same day. We don't get anything by not accepting our mistakes. By accepting our mistakes, we always store good moments and memories in our heart. So always learn from your mistakes and solve them without arguing.